Jordan. I love anything vintage, thrifted, eco fashion, sustainable brands and lifestyle and all that kind of good stuff. So if you haven't already, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Yes you, just hit the button in the corner, hit the little bell. I do videos once a week that come out every Saturday, and today I have a very exciting one for you. You ready to know what it is? Probably already guessed from the title, but I am going to attempt to do rag girl curls. I took a poll on Instagram and you guys said you were interested in learning this, so I'm going to experiment and do it for you so you don't have to. And maybe you'll learn something from this and will want to try it on yourself, especially while we're all staying at home right now and in lockdown. So anyways, jumping in. So first things first, I want to show you the tools and products I'm using. And also, I forgot to mention I have 3 hair curl techniques I'm going to do for you. So the first one today, I'm going to let it sit and I'll record the rest of this video throughout the week. So the first one I'm going to do is rag girl curls. And what you'll need is a pair of scissors. So these are sewing shears to cut fabric. And then typically the traditional way of doing rag girl curls is with an old t-shirt, but I realized I had a million of these pillowcases. So I'm going to cut up an old pillowcase, which I think is actually perfect because then I can cut it right down the middle and then do my rows that way. The second method I'm going to attempt today, or later on in this video you'll see, is roller curls. So I have curlers. So I'm going to try this for the next one. And then last but not least, it's more of a classic method, maybe more 1920s kind of curl style, is pin curls. So these little, they're called duckbill clips. I'm going to do some pin curls in my hair also. So you'll see that at the end of the video and see one last hair tutorial with that. So you're getting a 3-in-1 video today. Lucky you. Thanks for tuning in. So yeah, let's get into it. Now that we're done cutting up all the rags for the rag girl curls, I'm going to start putting them in my hair. And for reference, I have probably over like 30 of these, and I don't think I'll honestly use all of them in my hair, although I do have long hair, so we'll see how that goes. As far as products go, I think with this one, I might experiment and do the Sebastian Potion 9. It's a wearable styling treatment. It's meant to be put in for like protecting your hair so that it doesn't get damaged from the heat, but also I think it might just work well. Oh my gosh, it's orange. Ew. To smooth out any kinks and weird little frizzies in my hair. So I'm just gonna put it in all over. And I did put some hair oil in my hair, which I think I might get some more hair oil and put that in my hair as well. Okay, so this is the hair oil that I'm using. It's from it's from Trader Joe's. It's a shea butter and coconut oil. So I'm just gonna squirt like 1 dime size amount in my hand. And I might use a bit of this throughout this process, but I'm gonna start in the front and put it in my hair. Maybe work it on my ends more so. So I tried the rag girl curls. It did not work out well for me. I have too many layers, so it's sticking out everywhere. I was getting really frustrated. My hair is not like enough to be one length and thick enough to grab the curls and tie it in. So I went ahead with my second method here, trial and error. And I have these heated roller sets that I'm gonna put in my hair. So let's see, for curler sets there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. So I have to do 5 big curls all over my head. It comes with these like clips that clamp the roller, like so, and it's gonna stick into my hair. So let me get my clips ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Let's get started. So with these, since they're already heated, I just put them in my hair, let them sit for, I don't know, 15-30 minutes, take it out, and then I'll have some curls. So let's see how this turns out. Okay friends, we've reached the time to take out these curls. I've had them in for at least 40 minutes, so I'm going to gently release them and show you how it turned out. Again, these are heated rollers, and I had 5 of them in my hair. Like I said earlier, the Rag Girl curls did not work out for my hair type, but maybe they'll be perfect for you. And sun is kind of setting, so sorry if this seems kind of strange. Oh my gosh, that's it. So this is it. Oh, and my hair feels really soft. Next thing I'll do is use the paddle brush and just kind of gently brush out these curls. And there we have it. So those are the curlers. And the next type of curls I'll do later on is the pin-up curl, or the pin curls. See how those work for me. But yeah, hopefully this is kind of fun to see. Feels really nice. I feel like my hair is going to hold these really well for the next couple of days because I don't wash my hair every day. Feels bouncy and soft and supple. Yeah, so totally recommend buying these if you have long hair like me. Sometimes Rag Girl curls work better if they're more of like a mid-length. So yeah, thanks for watching. Yeah, let's see how this works out. Today, I'm going to do pin curls in this. This is naturally air-dried hair. I just did my makeup, kind of a vintage style, wearing something very classic and simple. So yeah, we'll see how this ends up turning out. Stick around. This will be interesting. Alright, so for this portion of the video, I'm going to show you this is a Marcel curling iron. So in order to do the pin curls, I'm going to curl my hair with this curling iron and then pin it with little, they're called duckbill clips. They're these guys. So then I'll secure the curl with this afterwards all over my head. So that's how you're going to do pin curls. You just kind of section it. I'm going to start and try to do the back and work my way around from side to side. So we'll see how this goes. all of my pin curls in my hair. I'll give you a little peek. They're very messy, and I apologize that they look a little crazy, but they're going to look amazing when they're done. And right now, after you do your pin curl set, basically you curl the hair and you pin it, and you use a little hairspray to set it. So this stuff is called Outer Space. It's a flexible, breakable, workable hairspray. It's from R & Co. So I'm just going to loosely hairspray all of the little curls everywhere so that everything stays. That's probably enough. And next time I check back in with you, I'm going to be taking out these pin curls, brushing them out, and we'll see how my hair looks. Alright, it's time to take out the pin curls, and it's an exciting time. So all I'm going to need for this is my little baggie to put the little duckbill clips back into, and obviously a little brush to brush out the curls. I have a wooden brush here. It's got soft bristles and plastic ones to massage the scalp, so we'll see how they kind of brush out. So I'm just gonna start taking them out. I'm gonna try to take them out from the bottom and work my way out to the top. Okay, so when I first like to brush out my curls, I just use my fingers, and you kind of brush them out with your hands. And now I'm feeling like I've brushed out most of it with my fingers. So the next bit that I'm going to do is start at the ends and just kind of work your way around your head to brush out the curls. I don't know if you can start to see a little bit of the difference of brushed and not brushed. See how softer they're getting? And because I use the flexible hairspray, it's not making it too hard to comb through and brush through, yet it's holding the shape still quite well. And from what I can tell, I've pretty much brushed out the curls. The last thing I might do for a classic curled style like this is to bump my bangs up a little bit more so they're more Betty style with my flat iron. But for time's sake, I'll just leave it at this and show you as it is. And that's how you do pin curls and get some old school 50s old Hollywood ways. Thanks again for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. Hopefully you learned a thing or two about curls, and maybe you want to try some out yourself. Bye!